Hi, let us talk about function attributes or function properties. You must have heard that everything inside Python is an object. So is function also an object? Can we dynamically give some kind of attributes or properties to our functions as well? Well, let's check it out and see if it really works or not. Let's start by creating a file. So let me open up my terminal. I'm inside a folder which is called as scratch, and let me create a file which is called as func.py, and let me open up my code editor right over here. So this is our file. Now inside this file or inside this module, let me create a very simple function, and I'm going to name the function as hello. It doesn't take any parameters, neither it returns nothing, so I can just say none, and here I can simply say I want to print out hello world. So that's it. This is a very simple function. Now let's see if we can assign some kind of attributes to our function itself. So let me say that I want to set an attribute to my function of hello, and let me say that my key would be greet and the value would be goodbye world. Let us try and print if this is working or not. So let me say I simply want to print out, and I want to get back an attribute. I want to get the attribute from hello, and the key has to be greet. So let me open up my terminal and let us try running this file. So let me say python func.py, and here it is. You can see that we have the right output. So what we did was we dynamically created a property or an attribute called as greet on the object of hello itself. Now remember, since everything is an object inside Python, your function is also an object. And since it is an object, you can dynamically assign attributes to it. Let us see one more way. So suppose I just say that my function of hello, and suppose I want to create an attribute called as describe. So I can say describe, and let me assign it a value of I am a func, and let me try and print it out on the next line. So I can say print. Here I want to print out hello.describe. Let us see if this is going to work or not. Let me clear up my terminal and let me try to run the file one more time. And here you can see that yes, it's actually working. We have the output of I am a func.